Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am here to explain the design and analysis of an algorithm. Definition of an algorithm. It is a core. An algorithm is simply a set of instructions that takes an input and produce a output, like a compass that helps to navigate through the problem solving. A creative within a constructions. A folded masterpiece. The process of designing an algorithm is also about breaking down a complex task into a smaller, more manageable steps and then folding them together into a complex solution. The properties of algorithm. The properties of an algorithm are efficiency, accuracy, reliability. Efficiency. The better an algorithm is to minimize resource using, such as CPU cycle, memory, etc. The less expensive it is to run and maintain. Accuracy. An algorithm should always say produce the correct output for a valid input, just like playing a games of a dart and trying to hit the blue cells. Reliability. Good algorithms are easy to understand and maintain by the other developer, just like well written literature. Performance analysis. Estimating a space complexity and a time complexity of a algorithm. Performance analysis is estimated for ensure the efficiency of algorithm. In the presentation, we will explore how to estimate an algorithm space and a time complexity. Problem solving. Generally, there is always a more than one way to solve a problem in a computer science with a different algorithms. Therefore, it is highly required to use a method to compare the solution in order to judge which one is more optimal. The method must be independent of the machine and its configuration on which the algorithm is running on. Show a direct correlation with the number of inputs. Can two algorithms clearly without merging? There are two such methods used to time complexity and space complexity. What is space and time complexity? Space complexity. The amount of memory an algorithm required to run. Time complexity. The amount of time an algorithm take to run. Measuring those complexity helps us a understanding how efficiency an algorithm is and how it will performance in a different situations. The importance of a time and a space complexity. Good algorithm design is all about a balancing how to protect the time it takes for your code to run and the amount of memory it uses. By understanding a time and space complexity, you can write a code that is effective, fast, and scalable. Measuring the time complexity, big O notation. Definition, example, and importance. Definition. Big O notation is used to Describe the upper bound of an algorithm time taken. Example, an algorithm that takes 4n plus 2 steps has a time complexity of O of n. Importance: understanding a big O notation makes it easier to compare the context different algorithm. Measuring a space complexity, memory use a big O notation. Memory usage. It takes a complexity. Space complexity can be measured by looking at an algorithm memory used. Big O notation. Big O notation can also be used to describe the upper bound of the memory an algorithm will use. Example, an algorithm that used an array of a size n as a space complexity of n. Example of time and space complexity. Time complexity. The brute force solving for n maze can have a exponential time complexity. Space complexity. A program that uses a resource function call can have a exponentially space complexity. Importance of an understanding the performance analysis. Optimization code, real world application, problem solving skill. By understanding an algorithm performance, we can optimize a code to be more effective and fast. Real world application. Performance analysis is essential in a real world. Problem solving skill. Performance analysis is also creative for developing a problem solving skill. It provides a frame network for analyzing a optimization solution. Conclusion. Understanding a space and time complexity is crucial for optimizing code. Big O notation is useful tool for describing an algorithm performance. Performance analysis is important in a real world problem solving. Thank you.